arbitrationagreements.org. Today, we are here to guide you on how to embark on a journey towards resolution and understanding through mediation. Mediation is a wonderful tool to help you resolve conflicts and find mutual grounds. It's about fostering communication and arriving at an agreement that respects the interests of all parties involved. Before we continue, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save your business a great deal of time and money. Let's first touch upon what mediation really is. It's a voluntary and confidential process where a neutral third party assists those in conflict to find a solution that is agreeable to everyone. What makes it so appealing is that it provides an opportunity for individuals to take control of their disputes, instead of handing over the reins to a court of law. It is a constructive way to preserve relationships and can be less stressful and also less time-consuming. If statistics are anything to go by, about 90% of people who have gone through mediation appreciate the control and confidentiality it offers. Moreover, over 85% of mediated cases find a resolution. It's not just these promising numbers. It's the satisfaction of knowing you had a hand in crafting a solution, which is quite empowering. Now, moving on to the important part, how to start mediation. It begins with understanding what your needs are and communicating those to the other party. Then comes the critical step of choosing a reliable and expert service to facilitate this process. This is where our association comes in. Welcome to arbitrationagreements.org. We are the top dispute resolution center in the country, providing mediation programs and services that are tailored to meet your unique needs. Our experts are standing by to help you initiate mediation proceedings either online or over the phone. It's as simple as opening a new account or case with us. Our experienced team will guide you through every step, ensuring that the process is smooth and constructive for all involved. When you're ready to take that step towards resolution and understanding, remember we are here to assist you in any way we can. To get started now, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Also, what do you think about the process of starting mediation? Does it seem simple to you? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.